Well, hello everybody and welcome. This is our first morning in Las Vegas. We are staying at the Palazzo slash Venetian, but we are in the Palazzo Tower, and we are going to have breakfast at the Grand Lux Cafe. This is a little hidden gem right here off the casino. There's also one off the Venetian Casino, and we absolutely love it. If you are planning a trip to the Venetian in Las Vegas, the Grand Lux Cafe is open for breakfast. It's open for lunch. It's open for dinner. In fact, at the Venetian off the casino floor over there, the Grand Lux Cafe is open 24 hours. And we absolutely love this spot. You can see how beautiful it is. This section here is like outside dining, only you are inside, and they have this little railing. Right over that railing is the casino floor. So you can sit there and eat your breakfast or lunch and listen to the buffalo and watch people win all those jackpots and wish it was you. But this is the Grand Lux Cafe right off the Palazzo floor, and we are about to get some breakfast. All right, this is a little to-go area right inside the Grand Lux Cafe where you can grab pastries and coffee, and if you got a to-go order, that's where you pick up. And then you head in here to be seated at your table. First thing in the morning, they just offer their breakfast buffet, and then I'm not sure what time it is, but then they allow you to order from the menu. So we're about 9 minutes before the open menu, but I think we're going to get the breakfast buffet anyways. And the best part about the breakfast buffet is your beverages are included. So you can get coffee and orange juice and soda and milk, and all those are probably like $5 or $6 a piece, but you can get that included in the $20 buffet. So it's a pretty good deal. So I think that's what we're going to do.
Thank you.
So let's check it out.
Hi, what would you like to drink while you're looking?
Okay.
Bring some waters. Do you want any coffee or anything?
Yes. 2 coffees, 2 orange juice, and 2 Cokes.
2 coffees, 2 orange juice, 2 Cokes.
And that's temperamental. I don't know if we're getting the buffet or not. If we're getting the buffet, then yes on all of them. But water for now would be great.
You got it.
Thank you.
I'm going to do a little walkthrough and check out these pastries to start it off. And there's other various items under those things I'll show you in a second. They have the most delicious waffles, and this is the omelet station where you can pick out what you want in your omelet, and they will make an omelet made to order fresh for you. And then you bring your omelet over and you gather up your sausage with ham and bacon and beautiful hash browns. Add some of the sweets, and they have this delicious looking fruit tray. And then they have a bread station where you can have various breads and make toast. So it's a pretty extensive buffet.
Thank you, dear. Okay, so I already ordered all of our drinks if we get the buffet. I told her, I said, I'm not sure if we're getting the buffet or not. So if we do, we want water, orange juice, coffee, and Coke. I'm dehydrated, love.
Load up on the drinks. They're included. Tell us what you got.
All right, now first let's start off with this grouping of drinks. When you get the buffet, you can get as many beverages as you care to enjoy. Alcohol is not included. However, orange juice, Pepsi, Coke, coffee. And in Vegas, you tend to get really dehydrated because you're in a desert.
In the morning, I care to enjoy a lot of beverages.
So do I.
Especially the coffee. All right, what do you got on that plate?
All right, so I went traditional. I got a couple of waffles, sausage, bacon, hash browns, a little bit of scrambled eggs, and some fruit.
Okay, give
All right.
it a taste. No, I know you don't have to taste it all because...
Right. I can tell you from experience, this will be the best breakfast. It's a staple when we come here. Hash browns on mark.
I gotta get some of this coffee. Cheers.
The waffles are incredible. I've never let me down. I think these are the best waffles I've ever had in my life. And I don't know if it's a mixture of the syrup and the waffles, but it's delicious.
They got a crunchy outside, soft inside.
They do, and the syrup is really good too. Eggs are good.
And the sausage.
That's probably the best thing I've had in a long time.
So, I went beast mode on this thing. I went sausage, ham, bacon, and cheese omelet. And this guy loaded it up. You can see all the sausage and meat in here. You know the rules. Perfection. I'm gonna do the omelet, and then when I'm done, then I go back to the sweet waffle and a glass of milk. That's how you do it. All right, Grand Lux Cafe breakfast, day one. It was delicious.
It was amazing. It's always amazing. It's go-to. It's fail-proof. It's amazing.
We go to the Grand Lux for breakfast all the time, and everything we get there is good.
Delicious.
Order off the menu, order the buffet.
The buffet is always hot and fresh and delicious too. It's not like food that's been hanging out a while.
So we're gonna put the receipt right there. Over there. There it is. So you can see how much it costs. And you'll see it's reasonable. It's $20 for the buffet. Includes all your drinks. You could get coffee, you could get Coke, you could get water, you could get orange juice. If you want a little something extra in your orange juice, it's gonna cost you a little something extra. But regular drinks are included. So if you guys are enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It really helps out with the channel. And if you're liking our videos, don't be afraid to subscribe. It's like one of the only things left in this world that's free. Just hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna keep making these videos. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.